Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Behind me here we have the Jayco Journey 1961-3 Outback. Let's go have a look. A washing machine is a great addition to any caravan, and standard across the top of the range Jayco products, we have a 3.3 kilo sphere washing machine. It's a top loader washing machine. It's a 240 volt operated washing machine, so if you are doing free camping, you will need a generator to power that. So to operate your washing machine, lift the lid of the cabinet. Now to lift the lid of your washing machine, now inside the washing machine here you have a peg basket. Now that peg basket also doubles as a barrel lock, so when you're travelling down the road it locks your barrel in place so it doesn't move around everywhere. Lower the lid again. Now to operate your washing machine, you've got the power button. Over here on the left hand side you've got low, medium and high, so select the mode that you wish to use. You've also got wash, rinse, spin and rapid cycles as well. Now to operate the washing machine, just hit play and it will start filling full of water. Now on the highest mode, this will use 76 litres per cycle, so you'll want to use this in a caravan park. If you need to use it free camping, you can via a generator. However, you'll probably want to select the low mode. And that's how you operate our Sphere top loader washing machine. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.